What's going on, everybody? I got a little bit of a short video for you here today. In the video you can see I'm catching multiple different species. Initially I was targeting, bass in general. However, the bite was super slow. Didn't really start recording until the second day, which earlier in the day I did end up getting into a smallmouth. After that we kind of had to switch gears a little bit. Throw in some bobbers, throw in some worms, things like that out. That's how we ended up getting into, some of our bluegill, catfish, and things like that. We are getting into the fall season here. The bite was a lot slower than I had anticipated. It is a lake that traditionally we have caught a ton of bass out of. However, that just wasn't the case this time. So we did switch gears just to try to get into some type of fish, make the trip worth it. Other than that, it was great to get out. Just wanted to hop on here, kind of give you guys an idea of what we're planning on doing with the channel. My brother and I decided to start this channel. We are starting pretty late in the year and especially the season to be doing so. However, sooner rather than later, we are going to be, hopping back and forth. He lives up in Colorado. I'm in central New Mexico, so I'm going to be fishing a lot of lakes, around my area. He's going to be fishing a lot of lakes up in his area. And then we're going to be bouncing back and forth quite a bit, especially as we get into, the bass fishing season of this next year. We do hopefully like to plan to get into some tournaments. However, just depends on schedules, timings, things like that. But we are wanting to do a lot. We're wanting to fish here, there, in between, and maybe some of the states around us and expand outward and see what kind of lakes we can get into. But I just had a real short one, real small one, nothing too crazy for you guys. I am working on a video of some fish that my brother did catch today while he was up in Colorado. So I'm just gonna start working on that. We're gonna get some videos out and just see what we can do.
Hey, Vic. Will you bring in that worm container when you get a minute?
Fish on.
You get a cord?
Oh my God. Fine, I knew I felt a bite right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's a good fish right there.
That's a good smallmouth. Oh my God, dude. You knew it.
Got the monkey off your back.
How big is he?
1.4.
He's not gonna be very big, I will say, but
1.4 ounces. What do you say, James?
yeah, I'm gonna say like 1.4. 1.04.
Just over a pound?
Yeah, 1.04.
He was chilling on the other side of the rock, though.
Yeah, he was just on the other side of that rock.
Look how big he is, too, dang.
Gentlemen,
Picture?
yeah, if you want to grab one real quick.
Hold on. Got it. Can I get it right between you guys?
Huh?
Watch this.
There you go.
I'm telling you, it's on the fall. Double it? I want. Is your camera on?
Yeah, it's recording.
Look at that, man. That's it. All of you. Big fish just had a wake over there. Or is that a wave?
I don't know, but first bluegill.
You have a good enough size worm on there?
Wait,
Might be
no,
getting
I'm
driven.
gonna take a picture of this.
For the slab?
Yeah, it's alright. I mean, first bluegill.
Is it? Bro. Normally bluegill in New Mexico are like a third of that size. Or smaller.
Picture for the camera. There you go, gentlemen.
I'm getting hit. Of course I am.
You're up.
Oh. Too late. I took my worm too.
You got him.
Let's go. Do you see why I fish for big bluegill? Kind of feels like a bass fight. That's a slab.
Sounds a lot lighter in color.
Bigger one of the day. That's how you know that they're sitting up in the shallows. They're all light.
They're in the shallows, like getting more sunlight. They should be darker.
So I think it's opposite, right?
I don't think so. Alright, another one.
Get it out in a good spot, then set it down. Do you want me to cast it out for you?
I'm trying. Whichever way, like,
Oh, I'm getting hit.
Oh, I'm on. Fish on, good one. Dude, I was just reeling in. I just was gonna recast.
I'm getting hit. What is that?
Oh, dude, he swallowed it.
Big old gill? Do some surgery.
Oh, yeah, my boy.
See how the rest of this night goes.
Oh yeah, he's belly up, brother.
You on?
Yeah, I think he's stuck in a rock. There he goes.
For the bass?
No, I don't think so. That's another little catfish.
Another little catfish. Is that the one that I just threw back? Mick, do you want to get on this bobber?
Oh, feisty little guy.
I literally just caught a catfish this size, and as I'm releasing it, James pulled it in.
Okay, swim away, buddy.
I literally just caught a catfish this size. Where are you at?
Under?
What?
I was under it.
Oh my goodness.
No wonder we couldn't see it.
Largie?
I feel like
Keep looking like a little largie.
another channel. This one, they're all
Where were you
speckled on the side. I was in this juice.
Like right here?
A little bit closer, more to the left. Oh,
They're blowing up everywhere. I honestly almost just want to put bobbers on a canine on that.
I think I know.
They gotta turn back on here in a minute. Right?
Oh, it's on. Am I over you?
Yep. Really?
I told you as soon as I switched the hook. There we go. Another bluegill. Come on.
Grabbed it. I literally just said the bite has to turn back on.
There we go. Be gone.
GoPro.
All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Little cat.
nice.
Okay. How big a worm you feeling?
Not real big. The average size. Well, that was I had to hook set one-handed and hold it because I couldn't reel with my other hand.
You hear me?
Yeah, they like grunt.
They make a grunting noise. All those birds just took off too. That was loud. How did this happen? How? Watch out. Anyway, cut that. Let some line out, please.
I'm just stuck on yours still. 'Cause it's like twisted all crazy.
Tree tie, bro.
I'm not gonna retie. I just need to cut your line away more. Watch your cut right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Or just one or the other.
Yes.
The line itself is like super twisted. Oh, you're gonna be so mad.
Huh?
You're gonna be so mad.
Why? You have a fish one? Bro, the whole time?
That's why I was going sideways. That's what happened. They
Got us into each other? That little guy?
This guy. I swear all these little dudes look the same. Ugh. Open your mouth, dude.
You trying to hold on to it for dear life?
Yeah. Here's. Oh, I got him.